good? What's good, everybody? We back here with another live. 8:19. Let's get it. What's going on? What's going on? Another morning, another New York session. Vibing out here. Another New York session. You already know the vibes. You know how it is. How we doing? How we doing? Going on? I'm gonna wait it out a few minutes for more people to come up, and then I'm gonna do a recap. Because I took off my screen. Alright. Alright, so I'm gonna do this breakdown. Well, I'm gonna do the breakdown of the setups and see what's up. So I'm gonna hit record on my side. Alright, but so this is a daily analysis for all my pairs for today. So basically we're gonna start on the daily real quick, see what's going on. Obviously we in a bullish trend. Let me delete this alert. We're in a bullish trend right now. Really smooth. Then you want to go out to the 4 hour. Hope y'all can hear me. Hold on. Yeah, y'all should be able to hear me. But yeah, Now we're going down to the 4-hour, and as we can see, there's like a couple zones that I can draw out for myself. There's one right here. Now if I wanted to find it a little bit more, there's like a little one right here. It's another 4-hour zone. Right, and then if I want to go to the 1-hour, there's a couple. But I think I'm gonna keep the 4-hour one. So yeah. Here's a good one right here. So what I'll be looking for in terms of trading zone to zone is for price to come down into the area, kind of retest it and come back up like that. So yeah, that's what I'm looking for that one. And then in terms of like scalping it, or like intraday trading in it, the most I can say is this area right here, like this trend line right here broke. I recently broke it. Now what I'll be looking for is either a retest here, but I think after yesterday I would probably look for a retest down at the bottom before actually taking buys. Sells on the other hand, sells are kind of looking deep, honestly. First of all, it would have to break this trend line all the way over here. On top of that, it would have to come halfway into this box. So it would have to come within this area right here. I know that's blue, but let me just change it to red. It would have to come in this area right here in order for me to think about sells. Like, just being plain honest. Like, I'm primarily looking for buys, so sells is not really on my radar for US30. But if it does come down to it, first of all, it has to bring this trend line, and on top of that, it has to come in the middle of this box. So where I have highlighted, it has to come in the middle of the fib. If it does, then yeah, that's my intention of selling. But you know, as for right now, I'm definitely in for buys. I'm looking for either for a retest on the trend line, but for better confirmation, definitely on the 4-hour zone. Oh snap! There you go. Yeah. So I would first set an alert. Why is this not deleting? Whatever. Alright. I would set an alert here to see what it does, and if it breaks through, I would wait for price to come down here for a retest. And there is a 1-hour zone. Well, this is a 15-minute zone, but there's a 1-hour zone down here, which I could also like define and be like, okay, cool. If it hits down here, I can take it up. So either or, that might actually be a second entry. But yeah. Moving on to XPS 500. Going to the daily. Bullish, as you can see, that shit moving. Been moving for a minute now. 4-hour. There's some zones. I think it made a zone actually yesterday, or this is probably the same zone I traded. Yeah, this is the same zone I traded yesterday. So you may see some duplicates, but if right here and right here, there you go. 4-hour zones. Yeah, there you go. Yeah, we got 2 4-hour zones here. You know, I would obviously just wait for the retest if I was trading the zones into the con a little bit, down and up, but etc. I don't know, I'm just doing stuff. Okay. Yeah, but I would wait for it to, you know, test within that box and go up and etc. 1 hour. I could just redefine this one into a 1 hour, which is cool actually. I'll do that. And yeah, same thing, just waiting for a retest to come back down into the area. And there's no, let me see. Yeah, there's no breakout here. Well, there was technically a breakout already, so I wouldn't even take chances. I would just wait for it to come back down into the zone altogether. Alright, gold. What's up, gold? I bet. So gold kind of looks choppy. I'm not gonna cap. Hold on. Gold kind of looks choppy. but I see some zones. So there's a zone here. There's a 4-hour zone here. Looks like it's coming back down to it. And there's a 1 hour right over here. If I can redefine it if I want to, just to make it a 1 hour zone, but I think I'm gonna keep it as a 4-hour zone. It's not that big. And for a 15-minute area, it's still in this range. Honestly, it's still in the same range it was in yesterday. It just looks different because of this big ass candle here, but it's still in the same range. It's making higher highs and higher lows though, so there may be a push. You know, it's just approaching 8:30. I'm not sure if there's any news, but this is still in a range. Still in a range. Like, it doesn't make any much of a difference. It's just still in a range. You know, up, down, up, down, up, down. So maybe if it taps into this box, you know, maybe I'll consider buys. Sells on gold, I would say when it breaks a low. So when it breaks its previous low, so right over here. Anything beyond here, I say sells. That's not an entry point, but anything here but beyond this pink line is sells for me personally. Sells below. Yeah, I would say sells below that line is ideal, and a breakout out of here would also be confluence, as well as for buys if it taps into this box and rallies back up for sure. That's also my indication for buys. But yeah, and then our last pair is NAS 100, as we know. Beautiful bullish candles. Yeah. And we got one zone on the 4 hour, but it's not the best, so we just gonna go down here with this one. Yeah. Which maybe probably won't trade this today unless it's like a breakout. 4 hour, thank you. Anyways, yeah. Yeah, we ain't touching this unless it's like a breakout. For sure. Yep. Yeah, for me personally, I would probably wait until it hits the zone. So there may not be trades on NAS today. Yeah. May not be on, yeah, there may not be trades on NAS today. So it might be the same 3 setups here. We gonna see what's up. Well, same thing for US30, because US30, I mean, not US30. SPX. Yeah, XPS 500 might be the same thing where I wanted to just hit the zone before rallying. So probably not a pair I'm gonna trade today either. So it's looking between gold and US30, honestly, for the most part. Yep. Okay. That's what it's looking like. This alert won't delete, and it's kind of annoying me. But whatever. But yeah, we gonna see what's up. We gonna see what happens. We may get a setup today. We may get no setups today, you know? So we're just gonna see how this goes. We finna see how this goes. But yeah, y'all. Let's be fire though. Low fire. Yeah, low fire, Joe. But yeah, we gonna see what's up. Gold kind of rallying down right now. Ain't nobody in the chat today. Dang. Hey. I just lost the tool. Oh, there you are. Nice. So usually what I do here is, like, you know, if I'm gonna enter the gold, I'm gonna enter into the box right here. I usually leave my stop loss below, and TP is usually the next high. Let's go look up here. And then most of the case scenario, a second entry would be within here. So we're gonna see what happens right here. See if we get an entry. So worst case scenario, we're in this trade where it could range. Best case scenario is it taps into the entry and it eventually rallies up. It breaks that trend line up there and then rallies up. So worst case scenario, drawing it out, is it taps into here, into the entry. We're in, we're up and down, 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 we're up and down for the rest of the. Tries to break, comes back down, kind of wonky for the rest of the, trading session. Or best case scenario where it comes down, plays around a bit, comes up, higher lows, higher lows, break that trend line, higher lows, and zooms up. That's best case scenario in terms of this trade if we get entered in. So yeah. For US30 on the other hand, I would definitely wait for that retest right here. So I would wait for the retest. Entry would be here. That's a sell. Entry would be here. Right. Stops are a little bit different here. I would probably just take it here to the recent low. And because it's already at the higher high and that's a negative RR, I would just take it to my 111 or 113. Yeah. My stops would be would be below here. That's me getting aggressive. But if I want to be like conservative, I can literally wait until it hits down here. So then my stops are like a little closer. Like they're right here. And then I can aim for the high. So either or, whatever happens, I think I'm just gonna wait for it to hit the 4-hour zone because it tends to hold there really nicely. And I don't feel like being an extra drawdown, so that's the plan for US30 and gold. These are the only two pairs I'm probably gonna trade today. I'm probably gonna be on here till like 9:30 because yeah, I got stuff to do at like 10. So yeah, we're just gonna wait it out, see what's up. Appreciate you, appreciate you. I will keep grinding. Already know the vibes. Grind never stop, 24/7. But yeah, we got like 2 setups today, so we gonna see what's up, see which one play out before I gotta bounce. Like I said, I don't think S&P 500 and NAS are gonna really do much until 9:30, and that's the time I actually need to be out of here. So, yeah. But I got the alerts in case. But for the most part, we're looking at gold and US30. Gold looking a little close to the setup right now, so we gonna see. Let me set it up on here. Okay, gold is pushing right now. Oh snap, I ain't this. Where's the chat? Literally lost my chat. Okay, there you go. You looking motivate me to start my channel for how long you been doing this for again? And do you live stream every day? Alright, but so basically, I think you should start your own channel. I mean, honestly, when I first started my channel, it wasn't even with trading, it was with like content. It was literally with reactions and everything. But down the line I realized, like, you know, I do trading and I do it every day, so it's like, why not make content about it and you know, teach other people and just vibe out. So yeah, I think you should do one. You know, you just got to be consistent with it. I live stream from Monday through Friday. Friday is not necessarily my trading day, but I'll still live stream, just see what charts are up to, NFP, all that good shit. But yeah, I pretty much live stream every day from 8 to 11. Today is gonna be from 8 to 9:30 because I do got things to do. But yeah, for the most part, I do live stream every day, and you just start a channel. Start one. I'll support you right now if you start one. No cap. Like, there's no shame in starting a channel now if you really want to. You know what I mean? You just got to be determined. You got to be motivated in order to start one. That's just how I look at it. And I was motivated to start a day trading channel. Ooh, gold pushing right now. Actually, let me set up my stuff. Excuse me. Alright, but so gold is really pushing into the entry point, and I'm about to set up my stuff to get him. Cause I know once gold start playing around, that's it. Let me do this on my phone, and then I'll do this on my phone. Still trying to get used to Trade Locker on my computer, but we getting there. Alright, let me just do it on my phone real quick. We're gonna set it up right now. I'm gonna risk like 2% on this trade the minute I get activated. Make sure I'm Gucci. Uh, 20, 58. Pause, 20, 58. Damn, that's US30. Cool. All right, it's pushing in right now. Maybe a little deeper. Not trying to be picky with it. It's a little deeper. 2020. Let me see where it's at. Yo. Right around there. Okay. TP. TP's like, what's TP? TP is 2044.88. Oh, my bad. Alright, but I'm just gonna up the lot size to 2%. Oh, my bad. What's it like? Alright. Yeah, so probably this next candle is probably gonna push down. Yeah. So the minute it comes back down to my entry, I'm good. I can just execute. Better, but I've been recording trading videos, but I'd be scared to post them. I was the same way, honestly, but I was like, you know what? Let me just start uploading them and see what happens. And honestly, I've gotten a lot of interactions since then. Like, I'm almost at like 200 subs as we speak. I think I'm at like 181 right now. Yeah, and I officially like erased my other channel and started this one about almost a month ago. So, you know, you gotta go for it. You gotta do what you gotta do. But yeah, post them. Post all them old ones. Like, I swear to you, you will get some interactions with them. And you're gonna be like, what in the world? And you're gonna be like, hell yeah. Like, that's just what happens. Like, I posted some of my old videos, and then I started making new videos, and some of my old videos got like 1K views, 2K views. Like, it's getting there. So, for sure. Let me know when you make that channel, though. I got you. I'm a substitute. Go moving scary. Go, why you moving scary? It literally tapped in the box, but I need something a little deeper than that. I need like up to here. Like, if a candle gonna form, like if this candle gonna drop, it gotta drop to like here, you know, where I can see it, and then okay, you know. But yeah, we're gonna wait it out, see what's up. No rush. I'll be in no rush when it comes to these trades. I'm glad I'm motivating you for sure. That's what you gotta do in this trading game, just outlive other people, you know? I know there's like a lot of people that are like just beginning trading and stuff, and it's just like, you know, you gotta give them the motivation to keep going. You know, trading's like psychology wise, it's hard as it is, but you know, as long as you have somebody motivating you and you're able to, you know that you're able to do it, like, just go for it. And if you want to make a channel, go ahead and make a channel. If you want to make a TikTok, go ahead and make a TikTok. Like I recently just started uploading TikToks again, and I made a new channel just for this YouTube, and it's been blowing up. It's blowing up by the day. So it's like, you know, just do what you gotta do. Do what your heart desires. And if your heart desires going ahead and making a channel, go ahead. Gold is being a little bitch. Not gonna lie to y'all. US30 not really giving me much. It's not gonna give me much till like 9 o'clock anyway, so that's why I'm really not looking at it. But gold is in its realm right now. So we gonna see. I'm low-key hungry. Still pushing up right now. Still waiting for that retest. So we're gonna see if we get that. For the most part. Yeah, like as we speak, I'm at like 126 followers on TikTok. If y'all want to also follow that, it's also in my description down below the stream. But yeah, and I just post every day. I just keep it consistent. I post every day, 1 or 2 videos a day. Same thing on my Instagram, the same thing on YouTube on Shorts. Like same thing, just content. So yeah, do what you gotta do. Not gonna lie, I'm hungry. I'm not gonna cap. Not gonna cap, I'm a little hungry. So yeah, in case anybody want to take the setup, if it activates, I'll just mark it out so I know what's up. This is like a 1 to 2, cause I'm going for the next high. At the 111, I actually forgot to mention that. At the 111, I will be taking 50% of the trade off and leaving a runner. When it gets to the high that I want it to get to, I will be taking off another 30%. And then we're gonna see, I mean, this is the last high I see on the 15 in terms of that. I'd probably just keep it running till TP up here. So it's actually a 2.5 RR. You know, you have the trading journal in case I actually do get this trade. Oop, 19th. XAU USD accounts KLT for demo New York. I do this in case I actually get the trade. If I don't get the trade, it is what it is. I just delete it. But in case that I do, I like to have it on record already. Paste that. Long. My risk is 2%. My R is at 2.5. Status not activated yet, so I'm just leave it on. Alright, but as a trader, what do you do in your free time? Cause low key, I got no idea what to do. Well, outside of me trading, I am a student. I go to school. And on top of that, like if I'm not going to school, then I you know, I chill with my girlfriend, or I go to the gym. Like, you still want to live a normal norm. Like, I feel like a lot of traders like tend to think that we don't really do nothing after, but like you gotta find a routine. And I also work. Like, I have a job, so if I'm not trading, like, you know, I either work, I go to the gym, I hang out with my girlfriend, or I go out to the mall or something. Like, or I go to school. That's what I be doing. So if you're trying to like figure out what to do, you know, after trading and stuff, like, find a hobby, find something, find a hobby, find a activity. If you want to play video games, like, just don't stick yourself on charts for too long. oil really moving slow for me, and I don't appreciate it. Oh, I was setting up the stuff. My bad. Hold on. Hope y'all can see these entry points on top of that, because frankly, I don't feel like typing out a million things. 50% of trade. I'll make it bigger. And then another 20. Trade. Or I might actually just leave it on there. I'm not sure either way. But I know that 50% is definitely happening. Yeah, I'll make it bigger. I probably can't see all that. That was like a 20. 24. Okay, 24 it is. Boom. Alright, entry point. Now it's gonna be at 24 too. Bam. Sells below my stops. That's my stop load down there. Alright. This is what it is. This is what it is. Unless I'll write the numbers of 28, 36. 38, 36. And just a disclaimer, if anybody takes these trades, I'm not responsible for you either losing or winning money. Thank you. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just a normal trader like everybody else that is still trying to learn. And yeah, take it at your free risk. Thank you. I had to put the disclaimer out there because people are crazy. They'll come for me just because they took my trade, and it's like, that was your choice. Not doing that. 20, 44, 87. Alright, and stops. Oh, it should be 58. Alright, but that's everything. So, if this trade decides to activate and somebody takes it, you got all the pointers. US30 is slowly coming down. Damn. I'll come back to whenever it's my alert. But we need to see gold in action somehow. Right now we're not seeing gold in action. pushing down right now. We gonna see. Let's see what happens here, chat. It's just approaching 9 o'clock. Stock market's finna open soon, which means US30 and all those other pairs will start to rally in a few. Yep, it's starting. It's starting already. I'm just gonna wait for the alert to hit though. But yeah, close rate, close. Let's see if we can get an entry. Let's see if we get an entry out. We're about 70 pips away from entry point. We're gonna see what happens here. Now we're over 70 pips away. God damn. They're just playing games though. US30 still doing its thing, so yeah. Let's see what's up here. Let me hop on the 15. Damn.
Farewell, sweet cookie cats. I'll always remember the time we spent.
We're not activated yet. For anybody that's just coming in, we're not activated in this chat. We're not activated in the entry right now. Just put that shit. If I don't do anything in like the next half an hour, then it is what it is. I didn't take any trades. So yeah. And if I do take one off stream, then there'll be a video on it anyways. So yeah. But let's see if we can get one on stream.
This is for you.
See if we can get one on stream.
For scaring those things away.
still playing around. Let's just hop in 1 minute. Cause I was on stream yesterday and there was some 1 minute heads and I'm like, well, let me just hop in 1 minute for y'all then. Yeah, I traded on 1 minute. I know I don't. That shit too. That shit give me a headache. Like that should be giving me a headache. This lo-fi music be hitting them. No, exactly. The 1 minute is actually insane. Like, I actually tried trading it at some point in my career. I tried trading it, and it wasn't given at all. Like, I would always get stopped out, like, or if I would, like, have a runner, it'd be like a 1 to 16. Like, that'd be cool and stuff, but, like, constantly getting stopped out before that is crazy. So, I stay away from that mug. I said, hell no. Absolutely not. It's just too much. Like, I know people that trade like the 30-second time frame, and I'm just like, how the do you do that? Like, how? But yeah, nah, I can't do the 1 minute. Cannot. But you know, like, when the move is clean though. When the move is clean, like, for example, see if I can find something. Like, you know when the move's clean. Like, you know when you about to have that burst. Literally, right here. This clean move right here. That's clean. You know what I mean? Like, imagine, you know, getting an entry. Boom, right here. Your stops are below the low. You know, squeeze it in. And then you just take it to the high. Like, people love this. People love these. People love these. You know? But I don't really care for that. Because the same amount of money I'm making off of this is the same amount of money I'm gonna make off of, oh my god, off of this trade here. So it don't make a goddamn difference. The same way I'm gonna make money off of here, off of this 1 to 2, is the same way I'm gonna make money off of this 1 to 12. Like, no difference. It's just your risk. Maybe you want to risk a lot more on here than here because your stops is a lot smaller. Cool. But if you're risking the same thing as this and this, you're same shit. Same thing. So that's why I don't really care for the RRs anymore. I used to a lot. I used to care for, like, you know, 1 to 3s, 1 to 4s, even like 1 to 10s and stuff like that. But after a while, it's just not as profitable as long term with a 1 to 2 or a 1 to 1, or, you know, having a 1 to 1, take half your profit and then, you know, let the runner run. So yeah, shit crazy. Gold is really playing. US30 hasn't rallied yet. It's gonna rally soon. Excuse me. We just gotta wait it out, y'all. We're gonna wait it out. I bet I'm probably gonna get something when I actually leave stream. That always happens. Got some momentum a little bit of momentum, not crazy. Looks like gold's pushing up right now. Gold is pushing right now. We only got like 15 more minutes, guys. US30 is making attempts to move, but is it gonna move down to the downside? We'll see. But gold is that a bottom wick? That's a tiny ass bottom wick. But yeah, gold's pushing right now. There could be a chance where it'll just keep going, so it can literally just do this. Like that. Maybe come back down a little bit. Try to play it off. Then come up. And go just like that. You know what I mean? So we're gonna see what's up. Or it can just rally up to the upside, you know, after a little bit of pullbacks. But if it don't hit my zone, then I'm not getting it. That's just point blank simple. Like if it breaks that trend line, cool. I know what I mean. But that's not my anticipation. So yeah. For US30 on the other hand, you know, it's approaching that trend line, but I did say I would prefer it hit my zone, so probably just gonna move this down to my zone for a conservative entry. This alert won't delete, and I'm not understanding why, but whatever. I keep losing my chat. Okay. Alrighty. Thank you for joining. I'll see you tomorrow. Much love, much love. Much love. Alright, let's go doing gold, so I'm moving. US30 is coming down. We're gonna see what's up. We're gonna see if it breaks that trend line, try to retest that area for sure. I set up a US30 trade too in case of anything, cause gold looking slow. It might be we might have a US30 trade. This gold's looking slow. Yeah. Gold looking real slow right now. Let's see what happens with US30. We got like 10 more minutes anyway, but you know, I'll still have the alerts, and honestly I'll just I'm probably gonna upload a breakdown video once this live is done, and then if I take any trades, then later on I will talk about them in a later video. Ow. But yeah, I'll set this up in case of anything, cause this thing moves. This thing tends to move real fast for me. Let's go. I need to set up my risk from now into everything. In case this trade you know, automatically comes down, I'm probably gonna set it up. Just set it up just to make sure everything's Gucci. Because you always want to be prepared for these things, you know? Stop loss. It's right before this. It's right there. TP gonna be somewhere up here. Should be here. Let's see. There you go. And I have to go ahead and risk that 2%. So we're gonna see what happens right now. I have it set up in case of anything. I have the same thing with gold, so we finna see. Either or. We gonna see which one plays out first. If I see potential of which one's gonna play out, then I will wait it out just a little bit longer, but I can't wait out too long. I gotta be out here before 10. So we gonna see. US30 pushing. Okay, it hit that trend line. Let's see if it hits that area right there. I actually did not take a picture. Damn. I took a picture of gold, but not U30 in case of anything. So let me go ahead and do that now. Open status today. Pair US30. Direction long. Session. New York. And if y'all wonder what kind of account I'm trading on, it's a 20K account. It is a demo account right now. What is this? 1, 2. What is this? I think it's a 1. Yeah. I'm trading on demo account right now because I plan to get another challenge account for next year. I'm not gonna do all that right now. And this week is the last week for me trading anyway, so yeah. Alright, we got a photo, and then I gotta get a photo when it enters. So we chilling right now. Alright, it's coming down though. It's coming down. We gonna see if we get an entry. See if we get an entry, y'all. Before we bounce out of here. Just trying to push now. We gonna see. It's pushing. Let's see if we get an entry. Ooh, it's pushing down. You might actually hit it. Let's see what happens. Might get that Android. Might. We'll see. Got like 5 more minutes. Let's see what happens here. It might give the actual push at 9:30. Yeah, it might give that actual push at 9:30. For sure. Oh, look at that. I'll let you know when I'm in. Oh, I hit my alert. Let's see if I'm in. Nope, not in yet. God damn. That shit pushed down. Mind you, I'm getting in on a activation thingy. Execute. Alright, we're in. We're in the trade, everybody. We are officially in the trade right now. We're gonna see what happens here. Let me pull up the thing for you guys before I forget. All the way around. Trades. Let me pull it up for y'all. There you go. Hopefully y'all can see that. There you go. Yup. This is the trade. We're gonna see what happens. Probably not gonna stay for the whole trade because that's OD. But let me make sure everything is right on here. Yo. Gold didn't really give us much, but we activated on U30. So we're gonna see what happens here. From there to there. So there to there. Okay. We're gonna see what happens, chat. We're gonna see what's up. If I do stay, I'm probably gonna be out the camera. If I do decide to leave this trade to run, yeah, I'm probably gonna be out the camera for a little bit, and I might come back just for an update. So I may leave the stream running, and I won't probably be here because I do have to do something at 10, and that's gonna take like an hour. So let me know what y'all want me to do. If I should leave the trade running, leave the live running so y'all can see the trade, or if I should just make an updated video later, because I might just end up doing that too. Let me take a photo again. Oh, damn. Coming deep in the stops. Coming deep in the stops. I ain't sure my stops are good. No, my stops are good. If my stops are correct. Yeah, there you go. Oh, there it is. 2.29. Yeah, because it gotta be 2%. There you go. So it's actually a little bit over this because of the entry point. Trading view, my other one don't make much sense, but that's where it's at for sure. But yeah, y'all, we got an entry in today. We're gonna see how this plays out. I think I just took a picture, right? Yeah, I think I just took a picture. There you go. And entry, paste. Alright. Status, open. And we finna see what's up. Breaker trend line, retest trend line, 4-hour zone. So this is our trade. We're gonna see what's up. Right now we're down like $50. Like I said, I'm risking 2% to make like 3 or 4%. 3? I think it's 3%. According to. Yep, I'm losing 2% to make 3. Or almost 4. Yep. So we're gonna see what happens here. But I'm gonna stay for like 5 more minutes and then we out. I'm out of this. I got things to do, places to be. We gonna see if it hits stop loss right here in front of my face, in front of everybody's face, or if it's gonna play out. So Yeah, gold really ain't doing much, so we're just in U30 right now. U30 got a lot of volatility because markets are gonna open, and it's gonna open some more. Look at that. Yep, got mad volatility right now. Yep, mad volatility. I swear to you, looking at trade lock is crazy. We don't see what's up. We don't see what happens. Now we up like 40. And, you know, the best thing you can do is just control your emotions and call it a day. You know, see if it breaks above that line again. It's pushing right now. We up like 100, 110. Excuse me. It's moving volatile right now. Gold is coming back down. Dang, we might have a trade on gold too. Ooh. Might have a trade on gold too, guys. Same thing, risking 2%. Oh man. U30 doing nice right now though. Let me get on gold in case it you know plays out. Give me a little gap, unfortunately. I don't know what the hell that's about. But US30 is playing nicely. We're up 200 right now to 30. Volatile push on US30. Stop playing. It might go straight to TP right now, and we might be done with the stream completely. We're gonna see. I want to keep it on now. I was gonna switch back to gold. I'll just pull it up on my iPad, being honest. But ooh, look at that! Look at that nice push. Stop playing. Might be an easy dub right here with US30. Might be easy dub with US30. I'm gonna see if I can. Let me see what gold looking like. Gold looking okay. I might actually try to get in gold. Let's see. Yeah, it's not the entry point yet, but I'm gonna set it up on here. But alright, U30. It's pushing right now though. It might actually hit TP in like the next couple minutes, so we're gonna see what's up. I'm gonna set up gold in case it hits my alert, and it'll be Gucci on that too.
This is for you.
Doing good right now.
For scaring those things away.
Probably gonna bounce out of here at like 40. Yeah, 40. That's the latest I'm staying on. So I gotta get ready. But right now we in proper with it. 240, 260. Like it's really moving right now. So let's see. Trying to hit TP on here.
This is for you.
Trying to hit TP on here. What is this? A 1 to 43. Where's the 111? Matter of fact, once this is 111, we finna take 80% of the trade off. 80% of the trade off when it hits there. Once it hits 80%, then we just have a runner of like 20 something pips. Yeah, about like, yeah, a good amount of pips, like 217 pips. If it busts through, then we're gonna leave it alone. which I might just leave it alone, honestly. Yeah, I might just leave it alone. We're gonna see what happens. Actually, no, because it's such a short thingy. If it was like a 1 to 3 or something, then I would, you know, yeah, never mind. Come on, yeah. Then gold also pushing, so I probably won't get an entry on gold, but yeah, gold also pushing. But it's always a just in case, you know, in case it decides to push down on me. Then we have it. We're gonna see what happens here in the next 5 minutes. That's when I'm gonna be out of here. And if nothing happens, y'all get an update from me later on in a different video. But I am gonna post a trading breakdown video for today's stream. And then later on in the day, or whenever this trade plays out, I'll probably just post another video, but it'll probably be later in the day, like around like 5, 6 o'clock type thing. But let's see, it's not doing much. Oop, my charger came out. Pushing up right now. Yeah, see, gold literally like pushed up, so we're gonna see if this push up too. S&P 509 stay pushing up, going up and down. So we just in U30. We're gonna see how U30 plays out for us. Plays out great, then hey, we hit TP. We getting there though. We getting there. We almost there. 7 minutes left on this candle. Then I'm leaving. Yes. Oh shit. Wait a minute. We at TP. Oh wait, I forgot. Trade locker. Let me see where my TP at on that. Shit. They ain't got real close. Oh yeah, my TP's a little higher than that. My bad, y'all. Let me not play out real quick. My TP a little higher than that because of the whole spreads. Dang. It almost got to it too. That's crazy. It's gonna play games, isn't it? Oh boy. Yeah, my TP's not there. It's actually higher than that. God damn, it's like up here, guys. Yeah, it's like right up there. Shit. That's fucked up. Oh boy. I'm gonna be in the trade for a minute though. Since it's gonna play. Since that's how it's moving. Yeah, I'm gonna be in the trade for a while. That's cool though. Oh, what happened? Order submitted. What do you mean order submitted? Oh my god, my dumb ass. That was by accident. Yeah, what the hell? That was so by accident. Sorry, y'all. The hell? I accidentally clicked something. But yeah. It's gonna play some games for a minute, so we're just going for this candle and then we're leaving. We're going. Yeah. My stops is somewhere up here. I don't actually remember where because of the stupid thingy. Cause I can't line up the numbers because it's different with the broker and trading view, so I'm just going by eye. But my my P&L if I do win is about $709. So that's like 3%. So whenever it gets really close to 700, you know I'm about to get out. But yeah, that's it. And gold push, like gold really pushing right now. It's gonna push out of that trend line, but again, like, you know, yes, I would take that setup, but I would feel more comfortable if it, you know, hit the 4-hour zone before pushing up. So that's gonna be an invalid trade for me. Yeah, it's gonna be an invalid trade for me, fortunately. So let me just take a photo. So yeah, this would be not a setup for me today, which is cool, which is okay, you know, that happens. So close and status never activated, and we're just gonna put it like that. I usually do my analysis like later, like I do it off camera, because it's just a lot of work. But yeah, not as off of it. Yeah, and I will probably delete this. Actually, I'll delete these because yeah. But for the most part, is what it is. US30 is gonna play games for the rest of the day. It'll probably take me out by like 11. For the most part, I want to keep this setup just to see how it plays out. How this plays out, like if it's gonna come back down and come back up or what. But yeah, we're gonna see. But I'm out of here in like 4 minutes, and then yeah, this is gonna be it for me. This was a successful scream. I said scream. This was a successful scream for me today. I appreciate everybody that came out today. Make sure to follow my socials. It is down in the description of this live. And yeah, I'll be live tomorrow at 8 o'clock, 8 to 11. Actually, that's so cap. That's so cap. Tomorrow, damn, I forgot I got school tomorrow early in the morning. I may do an Asian session tonight. Yeah, I think that's how I'm gonna make up for it. I'm gonna do an Asian session tonight, from like 10 to 1 or 10 to 12, and that will make up the New York session because I won't be able to trade New York. That is crazy. Yeah, and then Thursday will be at 8 to 11. So yeah, we gonna get out of here. Yeah, looking at the numbers for gold, it definitely broke out of that trend line, so that's cool. But yeah, yeah, I will post updates on this trade. Can this at least move? Like, or is it gonna stay in that same spot? Yep, it's in the same spot. Oh, and it will move it. Hold on, y'all. Let me close it and come back. I saved this, so it's just gonna close and come back. It was annoying me because I do want to set alerts before I leave. There you go. Alright, so I'm just setting alert for up here in case it does hit, and I'll probably be doing stuff when it hits. And gold up. Like I said, gold broke out out of this. So we're gonna see how that plays out. But for sure, one trade today, nothing too crazy. Making 3%. And yeah. Alright, y'all. I will post a part 2 of the breakdown later in the day. I'm gonna post the breakdown that I had earlier in the stream so you guys can watch it instead of watching this hour-long live video. And That's it. I'm out of here. Thank you guys for tuning in with me. And I'll see you guys tomorrow or later in the Asian session at 10 o'clock. Peace. Oh, wait a minute. It's pushing a little bit. I was just about to leave. Wait. What you gonna do? Do something. You gonna do something? You're doing a little bit of something. It's doing something right now. Oh, hold on, baby. We just hit TP. That's it. We're done with the stream. Done. Absolutely done. Absolutely demolished it. You see it live right here. I'm gonna do a trading breakdown later today. But thank you guys for tuning in. W's in the chat. We already know how it is. And we're out. Peace. That's crazy. It literally hit TP. Yeah. That's it, y'all. Y'all seen it live, WTP. We out. Peace.